Word Yakpa stands for plenty. For example, if you say chicks them yakpa for here means there are many chicks here. The word waka means to walk or to trek. So an example could be I waka come your house, meaning I walked to your house. I dey means I am. I can say an example is I dey bam, meaning I am okay, I'm good. Bros means friend. It's used to refer to a friendly male or to greet a man or a boy. For an example could be bros, how you dey? Meaning friend, how are you? The fifth word is the word show, which means to come or to arrive or to be around. So I can say an example could be bros, show my house, meaning my friend, come to my house or come to my house and see me. The next word is the word Yankee, and it stands for America. It is not pronounced Yankee, it's called Yankee. So an example could be I won't go Yankee, meaning I want to go to America. The next word is the word Jand, which stands for the UK, any country in the UK. So if you want to say I will go Jan next week, it means I'm going to the UK next week. The next word is the word Sauti. Sauti stands for South Africa. So an example could be I will go Sauti next month, meaning I'll go to South Africa next month.
Sauti?
I'm recording it, please. The next word is Oyibo. Oyibo means white man. It's not derogatory. So an example could be see that Oyibo, meaning see that white man. The next word is the word Whitey. Whitey means white man, just like Oyibo. So an example could be she dates Whitey, meaning she is dating a white man. The 11th word is the word Ekelebe. That stands for the word police. So an example could be Ekelebe don't show, meaning the police have arrived or the police is around. The next word is, or the next phrase is Naso. Naso means that's true, that's correct, I agree. So an example with the word Naso is the thing where him talk Naso, meaning what he said is true. The next word is the word Sha, which stands for well. So I can make a word like I will come to your house, Sha, meaning well I will come to your house, or well I could come to your house, or well I'm coming to your house. The next word is the word tight. Tight is it's similar to the normal English word. It means something good, something of high quality, or something very beautiful. So you can say that guy car they tight, meaning that guy's car is very beautiful. The next word is the word mumu, which stands for fool or an idiot. So an example could be you be mumu, meaning you're a fool or you're an idiot. Or someone could say that you're insulting you. The next word is the word moto or moto, which stands for car or automobile. So an example could be na your motor be that. So that's asking the question, is that your car? The next popular word is the word tear rubber, which stands for brand. It means brand new, something that is newly gotten. So an example could be your car na tear rubber. That's the question. So someone is asking you, is your car brand new? So you can answer yes or no. The next word is the word pure water. Pure water is a packaged water that is available in Nigeria, and is usually used to denote commonly found item. So I could say this your car na pure water, meaning this car is very common. It's a popular car that a lot of people drive. So pure water stands for commonly used. Now the next word could be abeg. It means please. It's a combination of the word a and beg. So an example could be abeg give me your pen, meaning please give me your pen. The next word is the word straff. Straff means to have sex. So you could say an example could be you don't straff that girl. The question, have you had sex with that girl? Number 21. The next word, popular Pidgin English word, is the word bone. Bone means to forget. Forget about something. So you can say bone that guy, meaning forget that guy, just forget that guy, The next word is the word yeye, which stands for nonsense, not beautiful, not good, not of good quality, ugly. Na yeye cloth you dey wear is an example of a sentence with the word yeye, which means you are wearing a low quality cloth. The next word is the word wowo. Wowo is similar to the word yeye. Yeye means nonsense, not beautiful, not good quality, ugly. So you could say the girl face wowo, meaning that girl face is ugly. You could say anything is wowo, meaning that the stuff is not of good quality, it's nonsense, it's bad. The next word is the word chop. To chop means to eat. So you could ask the question, you don't chop, meaning have you eaten, or come chop, meaning come and eat. The next word is the word sabi. Sabi is to know. So you could say waiting. You could ask the question, waiting you sabi, meaning what do you know, or you could say I sabi that guy, meaning I know that guy. The next word is the word I know. I and the word I know. It means I don't. So you could say I don't know you, meaning I don't know you. The next word is the next phrase is the phrase you don't, meaning have you. So you could ask the question, you don't bath, meaning have you taken a bath. And the next word is I go. I go means I will. So I could say I go house around 1 p.m., which means I will go to my house around 1 p.m. The next word is the word I dey. I dey means I am. So I dey try my best means I'm trying my best. The next word is no be. No be means it is not. Now it is not. You could use that phrase in the sentence. No be like that in Pidgin English, which means it is not like that. The next word or phrase is make sense. This means something of good quality or of high quality. I could say this song makes sense, meaning this song is good. The next phrase is the word, or the next phrase is area boy. Area boy means gangster or thug. So you can make a sentence with area boy like abeg, see this area boy, meaning please see this thug. The next word is the word waiting. Waiting is what? Waiting is pronounced like the word waiting. Waiting worry you is an example of a sentence with the word waiting, meaning what is worrying you or what is the problem. Another popular one is how far. How far means how are you, what's up. Usually used when you're talking to a friend or a contemporary. So you can make a sentence saying, guy how far, meaning guy how are you. The next word is the word kolo. Kolo means to go mad or to go crazy. So you could say I don't kolo for you, meaning I'm going crazy over you. The next word is the word mental. Mental also means crazy or mad. So you could say I don't the mental sense, meaning I've been crazy for a long time. Momsi stands for mom or mommy. So you could say my momsi be that. Now my momsi be that, meaning that is my mommy. The next word is popsi. Popsi stands for dad or daddy. So you could say now your daddy be that. If that's a question, that means is that your dad? Waiting there is another phrase that's popular, which also means what's up. So you could say oh boy waiting there, meaning oh boy what's up. The word yarn means to talk or to discuss. So I can make a sentence like come make me yarn, meaning come let us talk. The next word is the word pikin. Pikin means child. So you could say now my pikin be that, meaning that is my child. The next word is the word comot. Comot means to go away. So you can make a sentence, an example saying comot for here, meaning go away from here. The next word is the word bobo. Bobo means generally means boyfriend. So you can say your bobo fine, meaning your boyfriend is very fine. The next word is pepe. Pepe from the condiment we put in food, but it also means money. So you could say una ho pepe. It's a question you could ask. That means do you guys have money? Another word that is normally used is the word ja. Ja means to run away. It's like ja, but it's pronounced ja. So you could say I don't ja, meaning I have run away. The next word is the hammer. That means to get into a windfall of money. That guy don't hammer, meaning that guy has gotten into a windfall of money. The next one is sit down. Sit down means to sit down. So you can make a sentence like I beg sit down, meaning please sit down. Hold bar also means to have money, to have a lot of money. So you could say, guy, you hold bar, meaning guy, you have money. Another popular one is the word no try me, meaning don't try me. It's used to ask someone not to mess with another person. A good example of the word you can say it, make una no try me, meaning you guys should not mess with me. And the last one that we'll talk about today is no thinker. No thinker means don't think about it. So you could make a sentence tell someone tell them to no thinker, meaning tell them not to even think about it.